When speaking about backup hard drives, especially from Western Digital, there are two current running models. One is WD Elements and the other is WD My Passport. And thankfully, I've been using both of them since quite a long amount of time, and I'll be able to tell you in this particular video what are these hidden nitty-gritties and what are the fine differences in between both of them. Because as you can see, their prices, their performance, their capacity is roughly the same. So let's begin this video point wise. First point would be looks. Now WD Elements has a very plain Jane design, and no, you don't get this flower decal made on it. I had to make it myself because I found the look of WD Elements was very plain and very basic. On the other hand, WD My Passport has this nice little stripe texture, so it is a personal choice. Whichever kind of design you like, you can go for it. Again, WD Elements does have a little bit of benefit. As you can see, the LED indicator, the activity indicator on this thing is a little bit brighter, and the LED on WD My Passport is kind of useless. It is so dim that you can't even see it during the daytime. So I don't know if WD had to include an LED indicator. At least they should include a proper one so that we can see it. Other than that, WD My Passport offers lots and lots of attractive color options. Buying link for all of these different colors and variants are available in the description or in the first comment below. So if you want to support me, my channel and my work, make sure to use the affiliate links which I have provided in the description. Let's go to the second point of this video, that is features. And WD My Passport is, guys, it's absolutely loaded with features. It comes with AES 256-bit hardware encryption so that you can lock down your hard drive with a password and prevent any kind of unauthorized access. Again, it has a slew of software utilities bundled along with. For example, there is smartware automatic backup software. So if you are the kind of forgetful person who always forgets to take the backup of their important data, then you can rely on this software to have it done for you. WD Elements does not have any kind of these features. The third point would be speed test, and I've been using these hard drives since long, and as you can see, the first benchmark is WD Elements. I've been using this for around, I think, 4 or 5 years now, and the model I have is a 2 terabyte model. And now here you can see the benchmark for WD My Passport, which is a 5 terabyte hard drive, and even this thing I've been using for roughly 3 years now. The fourth point is temperature, and is it me or I usually feel that WD My Passport, especially the 5 terabyte version, runs a little bit hotter. Now this thing could be due to higher data density because my WD Elements is a 2 TB drive and WD My Passport is a 5 terabyte drive. But if you look at the designs very closely, there are fine little differences. For example, WD Elements has very small little bumps which works as a small separation between the disk and the hard drive itself. It's not a lot, it's like half a millimeter, but I think it might help. Now WD My Passport does not have these legs or these bumps, so maybe it runs hotter. But anyways, rather than worrying about all of these fine little differences, what I do personally, I have made this fan as a DIY, I think 15-20 years ago, and it has been working fine. Thankfully now these days you don't have to DIY all this. You can buy a ready-made one, and it is also pretty cheap. Link is available in description or in the first comment below. So if you use a fan, then there is no overheating issue with any kind of hard drive. The fifth point here is warranty, and WD Elements earlier used to come with a 2-year warranty, but now again that has been upgraded. So both the WD Elements as well as the My Passport series come with a 3-year limited warranty. So let's conclude this video. The sixth point is conclusion, and if you've been following this video closely, you might have understood that as long as their pricing is the same, and honestly it is usually the same if you check the links I have provided for Amazon or for Flipkart, there are the price difference is hardly 200-300 rupees in between them. So if the price difference is small, by all means, okay, without any kind of doubt, go with WD My Passport because it comes with better features, better software suite. By the way, before buying this, I think you should also check out its competitor which I am using. This is Seagate One Touch. The review video for this thing will be available over here. You can click on these cards and check out that particular video. That's it for this neat little video, guys. I hope you liked it. Take care and have a nice day.